Hi and welcome to Qminder, a smart queue management system for a data-driven customer experience. Sounds like a lot, doesn't it? Give us a couple of minutes and you'll see how easy it actually is. Now, what if we told you you could make waiting lines, a thing that nobody enjoys, the best part of your service? Qminder provides the tools to take the pain away from managing lines in your business while feeding you valuable data for service development. They say you're only as good as the company you keep. Using Qminder puts you alongside Lyft, AT&T, Verizon, Johns Hopkins, and many other great companies. Thanks to Qminder, millions of people around the world are getting excellent customer service, and this number is only growing. Speaking of numbers, here's how Qminder helps your business. Through shorter wait times, fewer walkaways, and fewer complaints. It's not magic, it's Qminder. Let's say a customer enters your store. First impressions matter, so how do you greet them? With Qminder, you can either have your customers sign in on their own by entering their name, phone number, reason for visit, and any other information into an iPad. Or a receptionist can greet your customers and enter their data for them using a device. Once you have the customer's information, they join the line and wait for their turn. You've got three options here. You can inform the customer of their turn by having a clerk call out their name. You can also use Qminder's Apple TV app, which displays the waiting list on the waiting room TV. When a customer's turn comes, the TV shows a notification and plays an attention-grabbing sound. The third way to inform the customer is via SMS, which you can customize and automate as you see fit. With Qminder's SMS chat, you can update your customers on their queue status or simply engage in small talk. It's your call, literally. Qminder's goal is to make life easier for everyone at our clients' organizations. And that means not only visitors, but also clerks, location managers, business owners, and IT support. Whether you've got one location or 100 spread around the globe, Qminder can be easily scaled up with no loss in functionality. But let's scale it back a notch and see how our system can benefit everyone working at your business. First up, clerks. With Qminder, service staff can understand exactly who their customer is, including their needs, preferences, and history with your business to help custom tailor your service to them. You can customize information and settings on the fly, and if your location offers multiple services, you can group your customers accordingly. With Qminder, servicing customers is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Click Call Next. The customer will get a notification telling him where to go. Done servicing the customer? Click Call Next again, and the cycle begins anew. Our next stop is location managers, who make a lot of on-the-floor decisions. Location managers can easily see how many customers are waiting in line, how long they've been waiting, what service they chose, how many customers have been served so far, and how many employees are busy at the moment. This crucial information helps location managers make quick but informed decisions. Finally, executives and senior managers. Qminder helps them answer some hard-hitting questions, namely, how does customer service at our business look like? What are our average wait and service times? How are individual locations doing compared to average estimates? The bottom line is, Qminder gets you hard data to help you become better at what you're doing. All the data gathered through Qminder is accessible, exportable, and integratable. We provide APIs so that you can implement Qminder with the current tools your team is using. With this many features, you'd think Qminder would cost you a fortune. You can pick a pricing plan that suits your budget the most. But even Standard Plan gives you full access to all the features for unlimited number of users and devices. Ease of use applies to all aspects of Qminder. Even creating an account and setup takes no more than 2 minutes. Qminder is so flexible, you can adapt it to your service flow and environment rather than the other way around. Create the experience your customers have always wanted. Test out the waters first. You can sign up for a free trial and use all of the features for 14 days, no credit card required. Encounter some issues? Our customer success team will support you all the way to the finish line.